Have an expectation that we will get a demand from our users to do that, and therefore we would like to look at ways of meeting that demand. At the present moment, we haven't got as far as planning, but we do expect iOS and Android operating system, as well as all the Microsoft stuff, to certainly start hitting us in a much bigger way over the next 18 months to 2 years. And yes, we will be wanting to look to manage that. And that is a key reason why we want to try and bring it all into a single point.
Well, interestingly, if you asked me on Tuesday, I would have said we have no plans for that. We have BlackBerries, we have a BES server, nothing. But actually, yesterday it became to light that actually we're thinking that BlackBerries are rubbish, and we might move to, or the BES is rubbish like BlackBerries, and we might move to a more sort of bring your own device type situation. I mean, we've got Exchange, we can use ActiveSync, and some of the stuff they were saying, that Talk Configuration Manager, you can manage them with endpoint protection, we can use that. And it just, yeah, I mean, if it works, if you can manage Android, iOS, Windows Phone, anything else through it, that'd be great. As long as we can secure it, remotely wipe it, that's the kind of things that are important to us.
We support a range of devices through Windows to sort of mobile devices, ones from sort of other manufacturers that aren't running sort of Windows and Microsoft software. And the fact we can now support them is sort of widened the more users that we can take on to support.
Bring your own device is happening whether you like it or not. So you've got to do something to deal with it effectively. You can't resist it, it's going to happen.
Devices in terms of phones and tablets, no, not as far as I know at this stage. There will certainly be different environments internally which we manage. There's our desktop environment, server environment, terminal server, and VDI. So those will all be things that we're interested in. But I'm sure that during the life cycle of the product, then other aspects will creep in, such as Windows 8. I expect that to bring tablets into the enterprise.
We're looking at deploying multiple Slate devices out to our resorts throughout Europe and the Near East. We're looking at managing Windows mobile devices, iPhones, iPads, C-level exec devices, which are currently subject to less than ideal ownership.